911, what's your emergency?
There's a man in my house with a knife and I think he's trying to kill me.
You think he's trying to kill you?
Yes, please hurry. I'm hiding right now.
Oh, well, you can't do that.
What?
Yeah, man, you're good. You can't kill people. It's illegal. Any other issues today?
What the? Yes, yeah, I know, but I still think he's trying to.
Okay, but he can't, dude. It's illegal. It's called murder. I mean...
Yeah, no shit. I know it's illegal, dude. That's why I'm calling the police. I don't think he's very concerned with laws right now.
Yeah, but he can't.
Yeah, sure, legally, but I think physically he's gonna do it regardless.
Dude, he can't. Put me on speaker.
No, I'm not gonna...
Just do it, dude.
Okay.
Hey, yo, killer. I saw it. You can't kill Buddy over here, eh? It's illegal. Oh, for real, for real? I don't make the rules. Oh, shit, eh? My bad. Yo, Clarence? Steve? Yo, what's good, my guy? Yo, not much, man. You know, just killing and shit. Sick. Hey, you trying to hop on 2K after? Fuck yeah, dude. Mind if I just... Oh, yeah, dude. Do your thing. I'm not looking. Respects.